Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, kukonek na natin yung Galaxy Watch 7 na na-unbox natin sa aking Galaxy Flip 5. So stay tuned and let's connect it together as a first timer or first user ng Galaxy Watch. So guys, ito na yung aking Flip 5. Ito na yung Galaxy Watch 7. So bubuksan muna natin yung Galaxy Watch 7. Lalabas yung Samsung powered by Knox. So Galaxy Watch 7, you see a pop-up on your phone to help you connect. If you don't see it, try connecting in your phone's Galaxy wearable app or Bluetooth settings. Language, help, accessibility, SOS, emergency code. So in order to connect, dapat na-download nyo na sa Play Store nyo yung wearable app. Ito siya. Yan. Tapos, kukonect nyo lang. So, may lalabas na confirmation code saka doon sa Galaxy Watch nyo. So, ayan. So, pag same number, confirm nyo lang. Confirm na. Okay. Yan. Check your phone setup, sabi ni Galaxy Watch 7. So, ito na. For your review, syempre, check nyo na lang yan lahat. Hindi naman kayo meticulous. Then, continue. Getting ready to connect. Then go sa Google account nyo. Note nyo lang. So, signing in. Then, lalabas yung terms of service, then agree. Yung lalabas ako sa watch. And may lumabas na automatic watch backup. So, next nyo lang. Allow. Smart switch on watch uses this permission. Call log, contacts, notification, SMS. Next. Set up as new match nyo lang. Then, tatanungin ka kung anong preferred wrist mo, left or right, tapos button position, right of the screen. So, next mo lang. So, create custom workout routines. Pwede ka mag-create o kaya pwede next mo na lang din. So, next muna natin. Ito yung para sa Samsung Health. Next. Next mo lang muna. Sleep app niya. Samsung Health din to. Sabi dito, you can pinch to control your watch. So, pinch twice to answer call lang daw. Ayan. Nandito yung mga mga features niya. Pinapakita na. So, pwede ka rin mag-emergency call, automatic, pag nalaglag ka. Okay, press mo lang yung home button ng 5 times. Set up a mobile plan. Ayan. Skip muna natin yan. Then, finishing setup. May tip and user guide din. You're all set. Yan. Add self-swatch. Tapos, ayan. Ano siya. Tapos, pagdating sa may mga tour, i-quick tour muna kayo kung paano. Swipe down from the top to open the quick panel. Yan. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. Yan. Finding your apps next. For apps, swipe up from the bottom edge. Ito yung mga apps. Then go back na, pabalik. Checking notifications. Next. Swipe right down para sa mga notif. Then tap to open this notification. Yeah. Swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen. Swipe left to go back. So, next, mga tiles. Then press nyo to for home key. Yan. Ayun guys. Tapos na-set up na natin. So yung orange dot daw ay notification. Siya kadali i-set up. As long as na-download nyo yung wearable application sa Play Store. So, yun. So, ito na siya. Ito yung, yung face ng watch mo. So, ayan. Magre-reflect yan dito. So, if meron kayong gustong baguhin din, dito nyo rin siya isi-set up. Ito yung mga app screen. Ayan. Pwede nyo dito sa phone nyo or dito mismo sa Galaxy Watch. Ayusin yung mga bagay-bagay dito. Ayun, sana guys, nag-enjoy kayo sa first impression ng Galaxy Watch 7. So, siguro, next time, ituro ko naman or explore natin kung paano papalitan itong face ng Galaxy Watch. Yan, dito. Yan. Okay, that's all guys. Thank you sa pagsama.